Nuestra Señora del Campanario. It's a church. Open its doors to the office of Easter and especially during the novena in honor of the patron of the villa, Jesus of Nazareth. History. The temple was built in the late 12th century. It appears that the same building was not reached until the late 15th century or early 16th century. They are covered with semicircular apses 3/4 of a spire, and the previous section with guns point. In the central section of the frieze, the original cover is replaced by a vault of churches arranged on XD.